Hello everybody, this is Jasper from Jaboscreations. Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be another voiceover acrylic pouring video, and let me know in the comments down below, voiceover or no voiceover. As you can see, I'm adding mixtures of blues and pinks in a cup. I made these mixtures in advance by adding acrylic paint in a cup, then adding about the same amount of a paint thinner called floetrol. Then you mix, and you might need to add some water as needed to get the final consistency. If you want to see a more elaborate video showing the full process of how I learned how to perform acrylic pours, then you can check out a video that will be linked down in the description. I really like this color combination of pink and blue, and now you can see me add some droplets of silicone that will help the cell formation. And then it's time to flip the cup. After the cup is flipped, I will let it stand for a bit, maybe a minute or so, to give gravity some time for all the paint to drop down onto the canvas. In the meantime, I will add some blue around the edges. This will help to cover up the edges more quickly, and I think it also helps a bit in the overall flow of a pour. And now it's time for me to stop talking for a bit and let you just enjoy the magical effect of a pour. We have arrived at the final step of the painting process, which is adding some heat. Adding heat will increase the cell formation, and because you can decide where you point your flame, you can also have a significant impact on the overall composition. I'm just using a small torch, one that you can also use for food. You need to just develop a bit of a feel, because you don't want to have the flame too close to the paint where it burns it, but you also need to be close enough to actually get an effect. And this is what the painting looked like after about 2 weeks of drying time. Acrylic pours do take quite a while to fully dry in my experience. I really love these final results. The way the combination of blues and pink work is awesome. If you like this video, then please like this video. And please let me know in the descriptions, do you prefer these voiceover talking videos, or would you rather have no talking and just some chill music for you to enjoy the painting process? And if you want to support my work, then of course watch more of my videos. That's one of the best ways to support, and all that other YouTube good stuff, liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that notification bell. But that's it for now. I wish you all a wonderful day, and hope to see you in the next video.